heads in the clouds. Thought we had it all figured out, planning to fly away to escape everything on the ground. We had our heads in.
Girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me.
So what we have here is a really beautiful little hummingbird feeder. These are all handmade. They're glass blown. I mean, they're gorgeous. Just take a look at that. So unique, beautiful.